The downside of using fusing is that it needs to be really well stuck on. If it's not stuck on properly, it will come off. So my advice is to soak the press cloth, just as I've done there. When the press cloth is dry again, you can be sure the fusing is stuck properly. And you can see the cloth is dry, and then I'll just lift it here to make sure that the fusing was right under where the iron went, which it was. Just dry off the cloth there either side. Grab the bottom jetting first, pull it through. That's pretty good. What we do is we want to cut open the pocket mouth, the ticket pocket. Bring this up and line it up with the top of the pocket flap, making sure the edges of the pocket bag match. And then check to make sure we can lift our flap out. It's not caught in anywhere. Flap out, great. And that completes the crossed pockets. Thank you for watching.